Hello friends, let's see how to make a beautiful wall decor using paper. To make it, the required materials are black paper, red paper, glue to stick, a pair of scissors to cut, a scale to measure, a pencil to draw, an eraser if required. Guys, follow me in Instagram. I have given the link in the description. When you complete the craft, post it in your wall or story and tag me. First, we need to measure the place where we are going to paste our craft. I am going to paste it just above a switchboard. The width of my switchboard is 22 cm. Take a paper in which you are going to prepare the craft. I have measured for 22 cm width and 22 cm length. Initially, mark for 22 cm, then draw the lines. I have taken a black color paper because the wall color is white where I am going to paste it. You can take a contrast color paper to your wall so that it will be visible properly. After marking, cut the paper. Draw this in the paper. At first, I have drawn the tree. For this black paper, I have used Apsara 8B pencil. Draw the branches as you want. I'll give the drawing link in the description. If you find difficulties to draw from here, then you can follow the image by clicking on the link. Now, draw the ground. Now, draw a couple. Our drawing has completed. You can draw something extra if you want. Let's cut the outer lines very carefully. As the branches are very thin, you have to be extra careful while cutting them. Use a small pair of sharp scissors so that it will be easier to cut the small parts. After cutting the black paper, it will look something like this. Now let's cut a heart shape. Fold the paper. Start drawing a half heart from the fold. Then cut the lines. Now the heart shape is ready. Prepare few more hearts of different size. Because we need many hearts of different size for our craft. Now let's assemble all the parts to see how it looks. Here, if you feel that you need more hearts, you can create. Now let's apply the glue properly on the back side of the paper. In every corner, apply the glue so that it will paste on your wall properly. Don't use a strong glue as it may damage your wall. Apply the glue in back side of each heart. Now paste the tree on your wall. Press it a little so that it can stick nicely. Paste the hearts. The final craft is ready. Please try this craft and share your feedback in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which will motivate me to bring new informative videos for you. Go through my playlist for crafts and easy quick recipes. If you have any doubt regarding my videos, please mention them in the comment section. I'll surely get back to you. Thank you for watching.